Essential antonyms and their corresponding opposite words. Part 4. Number 150. Hope, opposite words: despair, hopelessness, pessimism, gloom, desperation. Number 151. Huge, opposite words: tiny, small, minuscule, petite, diminutive. Number 152. Humble, opposite words: arrogant, proud, conceited, haughty, egotistical. Number 153. Humid, opposite words: dry, arid, parched, dehydrated, droughty. Number 154. Hungry, opposite words: full, satisfied, satiated, content, replete. Number 155. Ignore, opposite words: notice, acknowledge, recognize, heed, pay attention to. Number 156. Illegal, opposite words: legal, lawful, permissible, authorized, legitimate. Number 157. Imagine, opposite words: realize, recognize, understand, comprehend, know. Number 158. Immediate, opposite words: delayed, deferred, postponed, later, subsequent. Number 159. Immoral, opposite words: moral, ethical, upright, virtuous, good. Number 160. Import, opposite words: export, send, ship out, dispatch, transfer. Number 161. Include, opposite words: exclude, omit, leave out, ignore, neglect. Number 162. Increase, opposite words: decrease, reduce, lessen, diminish, lower. Number 163. Innocent, opposite words: guilty, blameworthy, culpable, responsible, faulty. Number 164. Inside, opposite words: outside, exterior, outer, external, periphery. Number 165. Intelligent, opposite words: stupid, foolish, unintelligent, dumb, dull. Number 166. Interesting, opposite words: boring, dull, tedious, uninteresting, unexciting. Number 167. Interior, opposite words: exterior, outside, outer, external, peripheral. Number 168. Internal, opposite words: external, outside, outer, exterior, peripheral. Number 169. Introvert, opposite words: extrovert, outgoing, sociable, gregarious, talkative. Number 170. Join, opposite words: separate, divide, split, part, detach. Number 171. Joy, opposite words: sorrow, sadness, misery, unhappiness, grief. Number 172. Junior, opposite words: senior, superior, elder, advanced, older. Number 173. Just, opposite words: unjust, unfair, biased, prejudiced, inequitable. Number 174. Kind, opposite words: cruel, mean, unkind, harsh, inconsiderate. Number 175. Knowledge, opposite words: ignorance, unawareness, incomprehension, unfamiliarity, inexperience. Number 176. Lack, opposite words: abundance, plenty, excess, surplus, sufficiency. Number 177. Last, opposite words: first, initial, beginning, primary, introductory. Number 178. Laugh, opposite words: cry, weep, sob, mourn, lament. Number 179. lazy, opposite words, active, energetic, industrious, busy, hardworking. Number 180. Led, opposite words, follow, obey, trail, succeed, accompany. Number 181. Learn, opposite words, teach, educate, instruct, tutor, train. Number 182. Left, opposite words, right, correct, accurate, true, proper. Number 183. Lend, opposite words, borrow, take, acquire, receive, get. Number 184. Less, opposite words, more, additional, extra, surplus, further. Number 185. Light, opposite words, heavy, weighty, massive, dense, bulky. Number 186. Like, opposite words, dislike, hate, detest, loathe, abhor. Number 187. Liquid, opposite words, solid, hard, firm, stiff, rigid. Number 188. Little, opposite words, big, large, huge, enormous, gigantic. Number 189. Long, opposite words, short, brief, limited, small, tiny. Number 190. Lose, opposite words, win, gain, acquire, obtain, secure. Number 191. Loud, opposite words, quiet, silent, mute, still, peaceful. Number 192. Love, opposite words, hate, despise, detest, loathe, abhor. Number 193. Lower, opposite words, raise, elevate, lift, boost, hoist. Number 194. Loyal, opposite words, disloyal, unfaithful, treacherous, unreliable, fickle. Number 195. Major, opposite words, minor, small, insignificant, trivial, subordinate. Number 196. Male, opposite words, female, woman, girl, lady, feminine. Number 197. Many, opposite words, few, scant, sparse, limited, insufficient. Number 198. Married, opposite words, single, unmarried, divorced, separated, widowed. Number 199. Mature, opposite words, immature, childish, juvenile, young, inexperienced. Number 200. Maximum, opposite words, minimum, least, smallest, lowest, fewest.